Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is the most popular Gujarati Thepla. This is one such dish, a flatbread which is very versatile. You can prepare it with the addition of so many things, so many herbs, spices, vegetables for variation. It's a perfect lunchbox dish and you can even carry it when you are traveling. It's easier to munch, just roll it up and have a masala chai along with it when you are on the go. So shall we prepare it? Today's version is with coriander leaves. I'm using fresh coriander leaves. I got a lovely bunch of fresh green leaves. I thought instead of methi today, for a change, let me make it with coriander leaves. So let's proceed to make coriander theplas. Coriander rotis or theplas, flavorful Indian flatbreads that you can enjoy with yogurt or a choice of pickles. A perfect lunchbox option, or when you are traveling, they are very easy to carry. For this we'll require wheat flour 2 cups, coriander 1 cup, ghee 1 tablespoon or as needed, oil for making the theplas, water as required for kneading the dough, 1 tablespoon of crushed green chillies, salt to taste, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, Ajwain powder ½ teaspoon. You may use whole Ajwain also instead. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and coarsely crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. List can be seen also in the description box. Now let's begin by kneading the flour. First transfer the flour into a mixing bowl. Here goes the finely chopped coriander, so fresh and green. Be liberal in adding. It gives such a good flavor to any dish. 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can even use oil. If using oil or melted ghee, use 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of crushed green chillies, and all the dry spices and salt. Now give them a nice mix. Crush the greens very nicely so that the flavors are incorporated into the flour. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Also choose the all option so that you don't miss out all the updates whenever I post a new video. Now here the mixing is done. We will knead the dough. Add water little by little. Don't add all at a time. This way you can control the texture, consistency. Make a stiff dough because we are going to rest it for a while. It becomes a little softer on keeping because we have added salt to it. The dough is done. Gather it. Cover it with a cloth and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add little oil, 1 teaspoon, and knead it again to a smoother texture. Here we go. Kneading is done. We have a nice soft and pliable dough ready. We can roll out the theplas. Take out a small portion. Roll it out. Now today for a change I am going to make square theplas. You can make any shape, round, triangle, square, whatever you like for a change. Brush little oil, sprinkle flour on it, fold the edges and give it a square shape. Dust little flour and roll it out again. The square one is done. Let's roll out one triangle shape. Repeat the same. Brush little oil, sprinkle flour, and this time just fold it like a triangle. In fact, the round shape is much easier to roll out. Giving different shapes is difficult. We are so used to making round rotis or parathas. This way, give it a triangular shape. Now heat a tawa or a griddle, grease it a bit. Slide in the roti and reduce the flame. Flipping it few times, roast it evenly. Each time you can brush little oil, or if you have a spray bottle, that's much easier. If you wish, you can even spoon a little ghee. Keep flipping few times so that it's cooked evenly on all the sides. These theplas or rotis can also be made half done and stored, so that when you want to serve it hot, you can immediately heat it up with little oil or ghee and serve it. Makes it much easier. For variation, you can also add a lot of grated vegetables like carrot. There are many options. This is done. Now let's repeat the process and cook the triangular one. You can even make them with any other greens like spinach, amaranth greens. These theplas are really very healthy. All the theplas are done. Square, triangle and round shape. Make them any way you like. The rounder ones are easier. You can roll them up and even enjoy with a cup of masala chai, and easy to carry them in your lunch box as well. So make and enjoy with yogurt and choice of your pickles. Wow, don't they look so tempting? Hot thepla with some butter on it. Yum! Make and enjoy. Check out the homemade pickle recipes also. I have shared the links in the I button and the description box. Thanks for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You might like to watch them too.